Good day, rail fans. Hope you all have a great week so far. Today is the day we've all been waiting for. It's the arrival of the R40 Slant F Train 2-car sets. Got 3 sets in front of me right now, and I look forward to unbox it. So without further ado, let's open them, see what they have. Okay, so the latest addition to the Munipals Subways series and family, I suppose. Usually, we can expect the logos all are supposed to be one side, but of course this is different because they have to clip together like this. So then fair enough, you put them together side by side. The F Train logo one is going to be, of course, readable. The other one has to be flipped on top. But apart from that, the finishes are very lovely. There are much flaws to brag about. The back as well. With the carriage doors to go between the carriages. And of course we all know that the older Transit Authority logo, all the way back in the good old days, the 70s. A lot of you have been commenting about the front of the train, and which I will get to in a moment. But a lot of you wish that there's a bit of a pantograph, bit of a gate in front, just like the later versions of it. And of course, in my view, that is not really possible unless you go for the big scale models like MTH, because after all, this is a toy, and of course there will be some safety chokeable hazards if that's the case. But overall, very nice though. So there you have it, 6 R40 F Slant trains. They're all beautifully finished. Love each and every single one of them. And you have to say, I really look forward to create lots of videos with these along with the other trains, along with other R160 trains, of course the local train and the express train as well. Certainly worth waiting for, and a lot of you, each and every one of you, have been waiting for this moment for such a long time. In fact, might as well use this occasion to put beside the F local train, the F express train, and to, of course, finish the set with the F Slant Train. Side-by-side comparisons. And of course, the paints on the F local train seems to be more sparkly than the Slant Train. If you look closely, then you'll get what I mean. See? The F Slant Train seems to be more sparkly, but of course, you've got the stripes on the side. So what do you think? Quite a few of you have quite a bit of things to say, and I did run a poll a few weeks ago, and as a result the numbers come up very, very interesting indeed. So around 111 of you voted on the poll. 12% reckon the F Slant Train on Munipals is ugly. 88% of them reckon it's beautiful. Here are some of the comments, might as well read it out. So although the beautiful side trumps, this is what actually triggered it. Low Power 1212, I was so excited, but it looks very ugly. Kennedy says, never said it looks ugly, it's pretty. Jaden says, I think they should decrease the chin size, it looked a little bit too big. Some other people say, I can't wait to get to see the R40 F Train. And of course, R40 F Train, can't wait to see along the F Local and F Express Train, as I've just showed you. So without further ado, it's time for the ritual that began on this channel, and that's the test run. And this time we're going to do it at Sutphin Blvd. Let's go for it. Now there seems to be some changes coming soon to Munipals, with W train becoming R46. What do you make of it? Leave your thoughts and views at the comment section below.